Foundation and the Negril Chamber of Commerce.
Don't lift with your box, bend your knee. Here?
Waiting.
My name is Owen Hines. I'm a carpenter, born Jamaican, living in the US. I'm down in Jamaica in Negril, working on this container for Jada Foundation. It's a Delta clinic.
I noticed that you've been here over the holidays, New Year's Eve, New Year's Day. This means that you've left your family back home in the US. Why was it important for you to be here, leaving your family behind in the US to be here in Jamaica?
Well, I think it's a worthy cause for me to give back to Jamaica, to my skills, what I learned overseas, and I know Jamaica need much help, and I offer my knowledge and my skill, what I learned overseas. That's I know to give back to Jamaica.
My name is Dr. Trevor Dixon from the Jada Foundation. This dental suite all started with a donation from Dr. Friedman in Morris Plains, New Jersey. He had dental equipment that he felt that the foundation could use in Jamaica to help improve dental care. So we went to his office. We had a team out there. We removed the dental supplies, including chairs and other supplies. We held those equipment at transcript shipping in New Jersey. And after we had enough funds, we raised enough funds through our fundraisers, we shipped the container which we had bought to Jamaica with all the necessary equipment in there. Now that equipment included everything we would need to retrofit this into a dental suite. So we went to the hardware store, purchased all the things that we needed, and we shipped this to Jamaica. Once it arrived in Jamaica, we got the necessary permits to drop this container on the property of the Ministry of Health at the Negril Health Center. That was quite a task, but we used cranes and different maneuvers to get that container in place. We had to put the proper footing in to get the container in place. Once the container was in place, we got all the necessary permits to construct the dental suite, which include plumbing permits, electrical permits, and construction permits. We brought on a team from Jada Foundation Barry Hines. He left his comforts of his home during the holiday season at Christmas, and he came down here and he basically provided insulation, sheetrock, and we got this container to develop in first world standard. So we're happy. It took a long time. It took a lot of efforts. We want to thank our supporters and our sponsors for making this possible. So once again, we have a dental suite here in Negril Health Center in Westmoreland, and this is to serve the less fortunate in Negril who can't afford dental care. So we hope to use this dental suite, but we're encouraging other dental missions who come to Jamaica to consider the Negril Health Center's dental suite. It was important for us to set up this dental suite in Negril because we realized that there's a large demand for dental care. And the reason why there's such a large demand is not because they're short of dentists, but the cost to go to a dentist is more than some people's salary for the week. We thought it was important to provide something for the people who are less fortunate. I consider dental care part of medical care, okay? Because if the teeth have cavities, that bacterial infection can eventually attack the whole body. So as a physician, we work in hand with the dental team because we believe we're one team, we're Jaja team, Team Jaja. As far as future plans for this dental suite, we realize at the Jaja Foundation we will be responsible for the maintenance of this dental suite, but we encourage other medical missions and we encourage the dentists that are here at the Negril Health Center to come and use this dental suite and see patients and make a difference. All we ask is that when you come and use a dental suite, please take care of it. Leave it in the shape that you saw it when you first came. Little nicks and damages may occur, but we don't expect to come back and see it in a state that we did not leave it in.